Notion iPro Pricing explained what you get for your money. Notion I is an AI-powered productivity tool, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just for notes. Pro Plan combines content generation, task management, database enhancements, and workflow automation, making it a full productivity assistant. The Notion Personal Plan is free, offering basic note-taking and databases. The Pro Plan starts at per user per month and includes unlimited pages, writing assistance, advanced templates, and enhanced collaboration features. Pro users can generate summaries, draft documents, rewrite content, create meeting notes, and even brainstorm ideas directly within Notion. Suggestions adapt to your style and context, boosting productivity significantly. The surprising truth is that Notion iPro does just help with writing. It can structure projects, create action items from notes, and integrate AI-powered insights into your workflow, saving hours of manual work. In conclusion, Notion iPro Pricing scales with collaboration and AI features. Choosing the right plan depends on your need for automation, content generation, and team productivity. If your goal is to streamline workflows, generate content efficiently, and manage projects seamlessly, Notion iPro isn't just a note-taking tool, it's an AI productivity platform designed to make teams smarter and faster.